Precision is actually a manufacturing company based in UAE. We manufacture the molds and dies. We manufacture the plastic packaging products for major players like P&G, Unilever. Precision was running on a legacy system. We had that issue of scaling up. We had issue of process inefficiencies. We decided that the cloud would be one of the best solutions because that comes with a lot of flexibility, a lot of agility. We understood that Oracle as a cloud leader in the market has got much more capabilities compared to SAP or any other product, like even integrating that with the manufacturing shop floor in terms of the smart manufacturing and artificial intelligence or IoT. Everything coming embedded in one package was much more efficient and easy to use. It all is integrated and it comes as a service. So that's the beauty of it. You just need to subscribe it and you can start using it. And also it is quite cost effective.